If your microwave oven is not working, here are the top 4 most probable causes. The most common cause for the microwave not working at all is a blown main fuse. You can test the fuse with a multimeter to determine if the component has continuity, a continuous electrical path present in the fuse. If the fuse tests negative for continuity, it will need to be replaced. Be aware that a blown fuse is often caused by a defective door switch. Most microwaves have 3 or 4 door switches that allow the microwave to start or heat once the door is fully closed. A defective door switch may prevent the microwave from working even with the door closed. As with the fuse, you can test each switch for continuity to determine if one or more have failed. A thermal fuse, cavity fuse, or thermal protector are designed to cut off the power to the microwave if the appliance overheats. Again, you can use a multimeter to test these components for continuity to determine if they have blown and need to be replaced. Although it is not a common problem, the main control board may be defective. You should inspect and test the other components first to ensure they're working properly before replacing the control board. Be aware that the high voltage and current used by microwave ovens can cause injury or death if the unit is being disassembled. You should always unplug the appliance before attempting any repairs, but since the high voltage capacitor may retain a charge even after the oven has been unplugged, we recommend that only experienced professionals test and replace internal components. All of the parts shown in this video are available on our website. Be sure to enter the full model number of your appliance to find the specific replacement part that will fix your microwave oven.